Assalamualaikum, my students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, prepositions, and complete the test using the clues, okay, or parts of speech. So let's start the class. Today's class 6, subject English second paper, topic preposition plus complete the text, exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4, term annual, lecture 12, SW 11, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari, mobile number, and today's date 20, okay. So let's start the class. So choose the correct prepositions from the box and fill in the gaps. My dear students, you have to memorize the appropriate prepositions from your book. You have to go through the book. You can go through advanced book and memorize the appropriate prepositions. Okay, there is no rule about appropriate prepositions. You must memorize this. Okay, so we'll solve this. Those who hanker dash money cannot enjoy mental peace. So after hanker takes after preposition. Hanker after, money cannot enjoy mental peace. Sometimes it may lead one dash some unexpected troubles. So lead always take the prepositions to. So preposition to, some unexpected troubles. It also happens that greed dash money brings dash many problems. So greed take preposition for. So greed for money brings about. After brings takes prepositions about. Brings about many problems. So we should not contented with. Contented take the preposition with. So contented with what we have dash our life. So here we will use in our life. Actually, happiness dash life, lies dash contentment. So lies always takes preposition in, and happiness dash life, in life. So happiness, actually happiness in life lies in contentment. So we have finished this one. Number 2. Our prepositions are 1 for, with, into, to, at, in, of. Trees are useful dash man dash 3 important ways. So useful, trees are useful to man dash 3 important ways. Here we will take in. The trees are useful to man in 3 important ways. They provide him dash wood. So here we will use with wood. Provide, after provide we use with wood and other products. Trees bear a great impact dash the climate dash the earth. So trees bears a great impact. Impact takes the prepositions 1. So impact on the climate dash the earth. So here will be of the earth. So if we destroy trees dash random, one day our country will turn dash a great deserts. So here if we destroy trees, here we will use at preposition, at random, one day our country will turn. After turn we use preposition into. So it turn into a great desert. So it will be no more suitable dash habitations. So suitable takes the preposition for. Okay, we have finished this one. Number 3. I hope you were getting on well dash your study. So after getting on we use get on with. So get on with your study. Dash your last letter. You asked me whether I have a computer, full stop. You will be. So in your last letter, you asked me whether I have a computer. You will be delighted dash the news that my father bought a computer dash me yesterday. So you delighted. After delighted, if person come, we use with. If any other things come, we use at. Delighted at the news that my father bought a computer For me yesterday. I felt very happy after getting it from my loving father. I have already learned how to operate it. I think you know a lot about computers. Please come to my house and teach its functions. See you soon, my friend Asha. So number 4, to succeed in life, we must have some good qualities dash us. As many people we will put among us. Okay. These are ability, determinations, and above all, hard work. Along with the above traits and their effective displays in realities, on realities of life will bring us sweet fruit of our toil. Any shortcomings of the above virtues will spoil our aims and objectives of life. Hence, to attain success in life, we must cultivate these good qualities dash us. So here we will use in us. Our life is a prolonged test examinations, and success in this examinations absolutely depends. After defense, always we will use on, depends on hard work. By the end of hard work, we can overcome all the impediments and hindrances on our way. One preposition left to success. So follow this and try to be successful in life. I'm well with good wishes, your Savior Halal. We'll move to next part. Complete the text using the words exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can call it choose fill in the gaps or complete the text with the parts of speech. So the words are new, now, by, so, me, but, today, regards, well, problem. So hope you are well. Hope you are all well. Hope you are all well. But I am in a problems. So I am in a problems. This will be number B. I am in a problem here. Dash. I am telling you about this. So number C will be now. This is number C. Now I'm telling, I'm not writing because the speech is very short. Now I'm telling you about this. You know that I'm in a dash class now. So number D will be I'm in a new class now. Dash, I needed to dash some books. So number E will be so I needed to dash some books. I needed to buy some books. So buy will be here, buy some books. For this I need taka 1000. Dash, I do not, but the number B will be but I do not have that amount. So send me, H number will be me, the amount please. No more today, number I, today. Best regards. So number J will be regards. Best regards to you and mother, your Savior Kajal. Number 2, we can keep in good dash. We can keep it good health if we play. Number B will be regularly. If the body is sound, the mind also remains sound. Number C will be sound. We should bear in dash that. So we should bear in mind that. Number D will be mind. It is a very good rule to dash while it is time for reading. So it is a very good rule to read. Number E will be read while it is time for reading. Dash we should follow when it is time for playing. And no full stop here. And we should play when it is time for playing. That is, we should follow a proper routine. We should follow, number G, follow a proper routine and dash the best use of our time and make the best use of our time. This one is ace. Dash, the great man in the world became. So while the great man in the world became great, J number, became great by using time properly. Number 3, there are dash rivers in Bangladesh. So there are many rivers in Bangladesh. In the rainy dash, all the dash are full to the brim. So in the rainy season, number B will be season, all the dash, all the rivers, number C, all the rivers are full to the brim. Then they look very beautiful. Number D will be beautiful. Sometimes they overflow their banks. Number E will be banks. For this reason, many dash, so many places go under water. Number G. At that time, number A is time, people move easily. Then they need boats. Number I, boats. So life becomes difficult. Number J, this is number J. Life becomes difficult. Last one. My dear Anis, I have just received your letter. I am very sorry to know that, number A, that you have dash poor marks in English. So you have got, after have past participle of the verb, got poor marks in English. I can't understand dash you not dash to learn English very well. So I can't understand why you are not interested, number D, interested to learn English very well. You know English is an dash language, so English is an international language. Number E will be international language. It is dash in our daily, so it is necessary, number F, it is necessary in our daily life. Number G will be life and work. If you know English, you can dash, so you can live. Number A, you can live in foreign countries. To dash good jobs, so to get good jobs, number I, get good jobs, you have to learn English. Besides, it is not possible to achieve, number J, achieve higher educations without learning English. That's all today, your friend Rashid. Okay, so we'll move to SW today, my dear students. Listen very carefully. You will write only the answers. Okay, answer to the question number 1, 2. Okay, and then you will write only answers. So listen very carefully. Preposition exercise 5, 6, 7, 8, SW11. Complete the text using the words exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. Listen very carefully. We have provided you the suggestions. Go through the online, go to our Facebook page and downloaded it and do. Choose the best correct preposition from the box and fill in the gaps. Number 5 starts with my dear father, I am very glad to learn. Number 6 starts with Mr. Shafiq works dash the shop nearly all day. Number 7 it starts with dear Fahim, I am glad dash receive a letter. Number 8 choose the correct preposition from the box and fill in the gaps. Starts with one day Kamal was going dash Samira's village. So my dear students, you will find all these in your suggestions. English second paper suggestion, preposition 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we will move to next one. The expert complete the text using the words exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this one also you will find in your suggestions. Go through the suggestions, download it and look. Number 5 starts with a flower is one of the prettiest dash of nature. Number 6 starts with once an idle dash lived in a village. Number 7 starts with Bangladesh is an agriculture country. Bangladesh is an agriculture country will be but mainly. And number 8 starts with everyone dash have an aim. So complete the text using the words. You will also find this in your suggestions. Number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I am also repeating for the last time. Homework 11, submit on Sunday. Preposition exercise 5, 6, 7, 8. Complete the text using the words exercise 5, 6, 7, 8. We have given it to your suggestion. English second paper class 6. Go through our online classes. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your SW at home. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday. Within 8 am to 4 p.m. in the school library. We will also collect these copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 p.m. in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SB, City and Diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.5 mark easy SW copies. So keep practicing at home. Abad parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.